Wacho mochung'ne kedo gi kothe moko podhi KEPHIS kwa piny wacho mondo ochuo gi chik mabiro chiwo kum mager ne jogo makeyo kothe ma ok opwodhi ne jopur ma pacho ka. Kane giloso gi jofwamb weche Mombasa, jatije ban migao Theophilus Mutui koni kara biro ni gisebedo ka gimako kendo gichwalo achije mitudo kod ketho ma kamago e doho. Thothgi osebedo ka chulo fuai kendo dhi nyime gi ohalano. Isego jakom board mochung'ne Joseph Mirwaki osewo paro manyocha chwale od bura ma Senate mondo ni ban migao no mochung'ne no rang'iny ma nywando KEBS mondo mi onywande moko kuom chenro ma gisebedo ka gitayo kaka KEPHIS.
So it's meant for facilitating movement of OECD sits in. We have agricultural crops, we have ornamentals, we have fruits.
Issues of fake seeds. We have an issue of fake seed in Joro. We had issues of fake seed in Bugoma, in Meru, in Narok, Bomet, and so many places. And we arrested those people. We have over 13 court cases which are ongoing. And we want to sensitize the office of the DPP as well as the judiciary so that they can give them punitive fines.
We are totally against the bill proposed by Senator Lekina. That bill of introducing the standard seed is a recipe for disaster. You cannot have one item regulated by two agencies. It will be confusion, it will bring fake seeds, and then people will not know to whom are they responding to. As it is today, we are even urging and we are coming up also with the changes, working with the different stakeholders, so that all those matters related to the agriculture, they are in one